Hi all, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Bentley. So the Bentley originally featured in a couple of cocktail books, 3, maybe 4 cocktail books from the early 1900s. One in particular was the Savoy cocktail book by Craddock, and yes, I've been doing quite a few cocktails from that book. It's equal measures of a Calvados, or otherwise if you're in the US you can get a Lillet's Applejack. So Calvados is an apple brandy from the Calvados region in Normandy. And the second ingredient is Dubonnet. I'm using an alternative, Lillet Rouge, followed by orange bitters. So to get this one started, measure up 45 mils. Some recipes call for a double shot, 60 mils or 2 ounces. I'm just going to stick with 45 today. So 1.5 ounces of your Calvados or another apple brandy, your Dubonnet, same measure, 45 mils, 1.5 ounces, and a few dashes of orange bitters. Today I'm going to be using These Brothers. Add ice to your mixing glass and give it a stir. So I'm putting it in a vintage cocktail glass today. Sorry, can't do 2 things at once. Into a vintage Coupe. So I find going to like a lot of second-hand stores when they've got glassware, they usually have some pretty neat glasses that are pretty inexpensive. This particular one only cost me like 50 cents. So I think this originated from back around like 1927 or something like that. I think it was somehow linked to Bentley winning the Le Mans or some sort of car race back then. I'll probably clarify in the comments below. So straight into your Coupe glass. I'm going to leave it without a garnish. And there you have the Bentley. Cheers. It's actually not overpowering on the nose. It's pretty light. It is probably quite light because of the Lillet Rouge, which is quite low in alcohol. Really get that apple brandy coming through, but at the same time, it does taste a little bit too over diluted, a little bit watery maybe. Definitely not one of my favourites. I'll have to try it with Dubonnet if I ever get a bottle, and also change out the Calvados for Lillet's and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.